What up, guys? Today we're going to do a quick little video, just show you how to install WLED on an ESP32. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug the micro USB into the ESP32. You hear a little tone, confirmation that the computer recognizes the device. So once you got all that plugged in, you're going to navigate right over here to install.wled.me. That'll bring you to this page here. Go ahead and you're going to want to select the latest beta version. Usually these releases are pretty steady. Go ahead and click install here. Then you'll get this notification when you do COM3. If for whatever reason you don't get that window, you need to go ahead and install the drivers right here. For me personally, even though I have the rectangle ESP32, for whatever reason, those drivers never worked for me. You can go ahead and install both of them. It's not going to be an issue. The other thing that I've always run into is I've never been able to get this to work 100% correct on Edge. I've always just had to use Google Chrome. It's given me the least amount of problems. So that's why I'm using Google Chrome right here. Maybe you'll have better luck with Edge. Not sure, but Google Chrome has just always worked for me. So once you've got all that set up, go ahead and hit install, click COM3, click connect. You get a notification here. I already have mine installed with WLED, so you'll see for install to device, I'm just going to go ahead and update mine. Click install. This will take about a minute, 2 minutes. We'll pick this right back up as soon as it's done. All right, so now that we're all wrapped up, when you first go to the next window, you'll see an option to set up the Wi-Fi. All right, it'll look something like this. Go ahead and hit change Wi-Fi for myself. That way you guys have an option to see what the window looks like. This is the window that you guys will first see. So go ahead and select your Wi-Fi name. Then you're going to go ahead and type in the password for your network. Once you hit connect, it'll say configuring for Wi-Fi. Then it should give you the option to visit device. So go ahead and click on visit device. Now, once you get to this page, this is the WLED landing page. You're going to want to take note of the IP address up here. That's how you'll go ahead and access, the ESP32 from a regular web browser within your network. And after that, that's basically it. Right now, you got WLED installed. Congratulations.